Hey guys, welcome back to Little Boy Customs. This is day 2 of Pate. Been a lot of fun so far. Take a good look at her, because I just sold her. The last time she's on the channel. Good looking car. Hope the new owner enjoys it. It will be missed, but I'm glad it's going to a good home. Be transported out to California, and old boy out there is gonna really reconstruct it, I do believe. So anyway, we'll get some more video of other things that have been out here. A lot of cars have sold, a lot of cool things out here. Alright guys, we finally made it back home from Pate. We had a great time. The little truck behind me did go out there on Saturday. It did not sell, which I'm not really surprised. It was only out there for one day, and most of that day I was busy walking around looking, buying things. So the truck is for sale. If you're interested in buying a 67 F100 truck, it is a long bed, and it still has a motor transmission inside of it. Then hit me up on the email address below. I'm also decided I am going to sell the cab that I wrecked. The top of the cab is in great shape. A-arms, A-pillars are in bad shape. And of course there's no floor or firewall in it, but if you're needing a roof, it's a great candidate for that. So if you're interested in the cab there, let me know. Email address is down below. Had a great time out there at Pate. I got great parts to show y'all in an upcoming episode for the F100 that we're building. We have seats for sure, and we also bought paint while we were out there and a couple other odds and ends that we needed for the truck. So we're fixing to reveal what color we'll be painting our truck that we're building. So I want to thank everyone that showed up out there, that we got to meet, talk, all the good stuff, that watches the channel. I enjoyed that. There was a lot of y'all that came by the booth, either talked to me or my dad that was out there. And it was pretty exciting, pretty fun for us to see all y'all face to face instead of me just talking to the camera. So I appreciate all y'all coming by to and saying something to us. We enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at the next swap meet. And I will keep you updated on which one that is that we're going to go to. Most likely we won't be vendors. We'll just be out there buying junk like we always do. Till next time, thanks. Be safe.